Hi, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let's continue our discussion on Tsgenco A 2015 Electrical Solutions Part 15 here. The question here is, it is similar to the question which we asked in our Part 14 and the question number is 70. So just review that question. So the slip of 400 volts 3-phase 4-pole induction motor when rotating at the synchronous speed, the NR is nothing but 1440 RPM. And what is the slip here? So assuming that, so assume ns is equal to 120 f by p, which is nothing but 1500 rpm, and substitute this value in n r is equal to ns by 1 minus s formula. You will get it as s is equal to 4%. It is just other way of asking the same question which we discussed earlier here. So next question is from the induction machines. The torque developed by three-phase 400 volts induction motor is 100 nanometers. So T1 is 100 nanometers. The applied voltage is reduced to 200 volts. That means it is reduced to half. So earlier case V1 is 400 volts. Now the V2 is become 200 volts. Now they are asking for what is the torque. The relationship between the torque and voltage, it can be written as torque is proportional to V square. So T2 by T1 is equal to V2 square by V1 square. That implies, so T2 is equal to, what is the V2 value? 200 whole square divided by 400 V1 whole square into 100. So if you solve this, you will get the 25 Newton meters as the answer. So option 2 is right one, right? And next question, a delta connected 400 volts 50 Hz 3-phase induction motor when started with a direct online takes a current of 30 amperes. So when a delta connected 400 volts 50 Hz 3-phase induction motor when it started with a DOL starter, direct online starter, it will take how much current? It is taking 30 amps of current. When the same motor is started with a star delta starter, the current will be, so star delta starter, if you use a star delta starter, it will reduce the starting current by 1 by third times of direct online starter. So by using direct online starter, how much current we are getting here? It is 30 amps. So 1 by third of 30 amps means how much? It is 10 amps. Right, you got right. So 10 amps is the answer for this question. And next is a straightforward and simple question. Stepper motors are used in printers where each and every movement of step is required. That means if you want using a printer in papers, so paper is getting printed in a step-by-step manner. Okay, so for such kind of small incremental steps, we will use stepper motors. In a chopper, thyristor DC chopper, which type of commutation results in best performance? So among the given all options, the voltage commutation will give the best performance. Why? Because when you are turning on the turning off of a main thyristor, we will use auxiliary thyristor here. Okay, so in a load commutation techniques, so this commutation techniques is commutates this chopper with the help of L and C components and diode here, like this. So voltage commutation is the best method to which is used in thyristor DC choppers control technique, right? So thank you friends, thanks for watching my video.